Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Ubisoft account. So simple type in ubisoft.com, and once you're on that website, guys, you will be able to see the little icon for account on the upper right. Click on that and you'll receive a pop-up where you can go ahead and log in or create an account. So if you don't have an account, you can easily create one. And to create an account, just simply click on create an account on the top right there, and you will see that you can now enter your date of birth and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some details right here real quick. Then I'm going to go ahead and click and continue there. And from here, we want to go ahead and just basically fill in some details. So you want to enter your email address. You also want to confirm that email address as well. And you want to enter a valid password. Here you want to go ahead and create a username. So I'm going to just call this one Drew Toot, for example. Let's see if that's valid. And you want to go ahead and just agree to this checkbox right here and click and create. Now, if all of your details are fine, you will go ahead and you will receive a pop-up that basically said that it sends a verification to your email. And so you want to go ahead and open up your email and find that verification code that you receive. That could be in your spam as well. So check if you have some spam or you have some updates folder like I have right here, and you should find a code from Ubisoft. Click on that, then go back to that small little window that you have, enter the verification code and click on create account. If I go back here, you can see that I now have a Ubisoft account. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you create a Ubisoft account.